computer, it's going to make it where it runs hotter.
Maybe. I can remember when I did that. Maybe that's why my phone was running hot.
Are you recording us talking about phones?
Phone porn.
Bite your screen protector. We're coming in dry.
Well, we're getting all dirty on a Saturday in Josh's front driveway to install American Iron off-road ball joint deletes on my 2008 JK. Ball joints are shot pretty much, and they always wear out. So got a lot of good reviews on this, so we decided to give it a try. I'm the guinea pig. I think Josh wants to try them later on his XJ on Hector.
Yep.
But we're getting through it today. So we got the old ball joints out. If you don't know how to do that, check YouTube. We're showing you us putting them in the ball joint deletes. So right now they're in the freezer.
Step one.
Yeah.
Put them in the freezer.
You do get instructions, which are pretty filthy at this point, that kind of walk you through it. It's all description, so you kind of have to figure it out. This is the bottom. This is the top.
A lot of people actually said to do the bottom first.
Yeah. Bottom presses in from the bottom. Top will end up going in on the top, but we just did the other side, and we had more trouble getting the top in. The bottom went right in, no problem.
So I think we should start with the top on this side.
Yeah.
We may be effing up, as they say, but that's nothing new for
We got
us.
through the other side. Could it be any worse on this side?
I mean,
it wasn't pretty.
I mean, if anything, we can just get you to just beat the hell out of it again and seat it correctly with a mallet.
So basically what we're saying is watch us do some fuckery and hope for the best.
Do as we say, not as we do. If you want your products not to be damaged.
Yeah. We're just starting this so then it goes down evenly. Where's it going?
Ooh, look at that. It's like 164 is left to go.
I don't know, man. Did she loosen up? What happened?
It's in the freezer, so this guy's gonna go in there and get it. Go on, get.
On, you know where you can go. You know where.
So anyways, I will never do this. This is stupid.
No, I am not putting these in my Jeep.
I don't see
This is
why.
the dumbest shit.
This is, listen, don't send us any.
Look, I'm still. If these were normal ball joints, we'd be done an hour ago.
Oh, he's back.
What are you talking
Nothing.
Nothing.
Every now and then you can feel this weighing down. Close your eyes, you can still hear the muffled road sound.
I don't feel like it's moved at all, but it keeps getting tighter and looser.
Hit it.
But no one's looking at it, so I don't know. This one doesn't have the pretty little hash lines in it. Hashtag
moving.
please install.
It's moving.
Oh no. It's warranted.
Oh, shirts from here on out. We need on the back. Hashtag thanks for the warranty.
Don't tell me.
The best part about installing these is watching your friends struggle.
We're hit there too, yeah. Alright, doesn't impact anything of it.
Once again, warranty.
Always learn how to do stuff on your friends' Jeeps, if applicable, first. Because then you find the correct way to do things and you don't have to pay for the damages.
Okay, for the non-ball joint part, the stud part that comes down, Aaron's going to show you guys the proper torque procedure that we came up with the instructions and videos, because everyone kind of did them different, right? And now the pizza's here. Thanks for your warranty. Aaron, start.
Yeah, so what we have...
Son of a...
I wasn't actually going to say anything. I was like, I'm just going to say enough for him to start pulling the trigger over there.
You got a bolt, you got a washer, and a seal. And then a nut. And this one actually, 2 nuts, washer, and 2 seals.
Yeah.
And now we got to put the knuckle on. So you got to take off the nylon nuts that they provide you.
That's what you do is about smashing my fingers. We'll find out. Oh, where's that little metal bracket piece?
Oh yeah, good call. Should
Here it
be
is.
down there. That.
Did you bend this?
No.
Maybe. Make sure you put it the right way.
Yeah.
Way.
So that piece is very important. You don't want to forget it. It holds the ABS wire. Us
What's-
XJ guys.
What's ABS?
Yeah, what's that? What
we
is
don't.
that?
ABS?
I don't have that.
It's like traction control stuff. I don't know. It things and stuff.
Control? Can't control me.
Control.
Uncontrollable.
Traction control. What a joke.
The bottom ball joint, that nut in the center, you want to tighten up. Probably gotta hold the bottom one there.
Yeah, I was going to say. You were doing it before. This is 24.
It's on your lap.
No, I don't feel like trying to hold this thing up. I'm just looking for a hand wrench.
After it gets to a point, it stays tight then, and then you don't need to hold the bottom.
Awkward spot. Because all this stuff's in the way. Which we got to still put back on. There we go.
Okay, so that's how you want the nut. Barely showing. Now we can tighten the top and then the bottom, and we start at 20 and work our way up to 80.
Yeah. 20 and then cycle it back and forth. Go up 10. Push it back and forth a bunch of times.
Yep.
Up, 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 up. So,
Door brackets.
Okay, you're at 20. That's good.
say it was already kind of at.
He's cycling. Dog's barking.
I'm scratching your pretty paint.
Oh no.
Dare you? The there you go. All day.
Although it's not really been that sunny.
Well, you're going the right way.
It's only at 40.
Okay.
Set for 50.
There we go. 50.
Alright. I gotta do this one still. Which I think was at 40 something. There we go. So it didn't take long to get to
50. Now 60.
You know, I wonder. Seeing as this is still a Dana 30.
No.
No?
I already know where he's going with this.
Where am I going with this?
We'll fit underneath the next J.
It will, but that's not the point.
I mean, anything will fit.
Yeah.
But what? All right. Well, Aaron's down there finishing up. American Iron ball joint delete kit. Installs pretty funky if you watch all the videos. Instructions were all right. You kind of piece everything together. What we did was cooled the ball joints for a couple hours in a deep freezer. Obviously, we did both sides at the same time, where we took out the old crap, got it ready, cleaned up for the new. So we pressed them all in, and then the torque procedures, that's where everyone was a little bit different. We started at 20. We would move the knuckle side to side after the tightness of the top one and the bottom one. Do 30, move it, 40, move it, 50, move it, 60, move it, and then ended it at 80. So the torque is done, hopefully correct. If not,
Same time next week.
thanks for your warranty. Goodbye. Oh, Aaron, what was that?
Recheck your torque in 100 miles.
Good luck with that.
I'm going to take your torque wrench.